Before I jump into the video, please subscribe to our channel. We daily upload videos about home remedies, health, foods, weight loss and fat-burning methods. Fat-burning weight loss shake may be a meal replacement and therefore the easiest method to drop a couple of pounds so quickly. Why spending tons of dollars on fabricated eats once you can follow an all-natural healthy and delicious route to weight loss? Grabbing a glassful of homemade shake smoothie goes to be your newfound to your new body style. What is weight loss shake? Fat-burning weight loss shakes are utilized in weight loss programs because they're portion-controlled and convenient. Using weight loss shakes helps simplify the choices you would like to form about what to eat and may reduce the time needed to organize meals. Fat-burning weight loss shakes also work in the short term. People who use these portion-controlled foods to exchange 2 meals per day can lose about 50% more weight than those that don't. We are going to introduce 4 recipes for fat-burning weight loss shake. 1. Strawberry grapefruit ingredients: 1/2 grapefruit peeled, seeded and chopped. 4 or 5 medium strawberries, fresh or frozen. 1/4 of a teaspoon ginger, fresh or jarred. 1/2 cup water, or less if you want your smoothie thicker. 3 to 4 ice cubes, if using fresh strawberries. 1/4 of a teaspoon vanilla powder or extract, optional, skip this if you are using vanilla protein powder. 2. Strawberry cheesecake protein shake. Ingredients: 1 cup of light almond milk. 1 serving of vanilla protein mix. 1 cup of strawberries, I like them frozen, but they will be fresh. 1 tablespoon of sugar-free Jell-O cheesecake mix, the powder. 1 cup of ice, may only need a 1/2 cup of ice if your strawberries are frozen. Instruction. Combine all the ingredients into a blender and blend on high until smooth. It may take 2 tries to urge it perfectly smooth, but this is often delicious and a pleasant change to a daily protein shake. 3. Banana ginger shake. The combination of banana and ginger has been checked out as how of helping people to reduce. We are definitely fans of both of these ingredients and think they need tons of potentials when combining, so try it now. Here is an awesome smoothie recipe to urge you started. Ingredients: 1 banana. 1 orange. 1/2 glass low-fat yogurt, Greek yogurt. 1 tablespoon coconut oil. 1/2 spoon ginger powder. 2 tablespoons flax seed. 2 tablespoons whey powder. Instructions. Combine all ingredients during a blender and blend to a tea. 4. Tropical breakfast. Ingredients: 1 cup of mango chunks, 1 fresh orange. 1.5 cups of pineapple chunks. 11 ounces of coconut milk. 1 teaspoon of vanilla, 3 ice cubes. 1 thumb-sized piece of fresh ginger. 2 heaping tablespoons of honey. Instructions. The chunks of fruit are often either fresh or frozen. Make sure to peel and chop the ginger before putting it in. Conclusion: losing weight isn't impossible, but it does take a more deliberate approach. Embrace the life experience and lessons you've got learned to reinforce your weight loss. Patience and persistence, both skills developed over a lifetime, turn these steps into healthy habits which will last for an extended time. Did you like this video? Please subscribe our channel and push like button for further updates.